Hi guys, today's countdown to Halloween craft will be a floating fluffy ghost. To start off with, I needed to draw my ghost body. I start off by making an upside down U and then making little triangles at the bottom. This is just a really simple ghost sketch. You can make it however you like. Then I started drawing my ghost face. I did 2 eyes and a happy ghost smile, and I did this on black paper. Next, you're going to go in and you're going to cut out your ghost features. I did my smile and my eyes, but you can do it however you like. You can give your ghost a nose, or you can do this on white paper and color it with markers. Next, I cut out my ghost body. And parents, if your kids are younger, you may need to do the drawing and the cutting for them. This next step is a step for my parents. You're going to put holes on either side of your ghost and use a piece of string to create the chain for your ghost. You just need to tie a few knots in your piece of string and then feed it through one of the holes, and then do the same thing on the other side. I found this works better than trying to create a knot around the paper because the paper starts to tear. Now for the best part, putting the cotton balls on our ghost to make him extra fluffy. Start off by putting a little bit of glue on the top half of your ghost, and then allow your child to fill them in with cotton balls. Put more glue and start adding more cotton balls. I did it this way so the glue did not dry out and become super tacky to where we couldn't move the cotton balls if we needed to. Now to put cotton balls on your spikes, you may need to cut them a little bit. And I just did a simple little cut to try to make them into a bit of a triangle. Once you've covered your ghost in cotton balls, it's time to give him his face. So put a little bit of glue on the back side of your facial features, his eyes and his smile, and press it firmly down onto your cotton balls. And that's how you make a happy, floating, fluffy ghost. Have a great day!